Welcome. In front of me is a Nokia G42, and today I will show you how you can enable your power saving mode on this device. So to get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen and swipe down once again to extend the list of toggles. Now one of those toggles should be a battery saver toggle. For me it is on the first page, but if you don't see it on the first page, you can swipe to the left to the second page and hopefully you can find it somewhere here. And if you can't, you can also tap on a pencil, and then just to demonstrate this, it will show you all the toggles, even the ones that are turned off, at which point you can grab them, drag them to the top, drop them, and they now become accessible to you. But I believe battery saver is added by default, so you shouldn't need to do that. Anyway, once you see this toggle, you can simply tap on it. It brings up this quick explanation, which is really nice. So turn on battery saver. Battery saver will restrict power consuming activities, background app activities, visual effects, gestures, touch sounds, vibrations, etc. automatically to save power. Now to quickly go into this statement, because it's not necessarily the most clear explanation to probably a lot of people. So just to give you info on what each one of these things means. So background app activity refers to any kind of application that is running in the background. So for instance, Facebook is one of those applications that basically always runs in the background. That would be kind of terminated because of power saving mode. Also, any kind of application that might be in the background, so you opened it up and you closed it and it's still like running, that will be turned off. So the app will be basically suspended and turned off, so it doesn't consume any more power. Visual effects refers to your refresh rate, as an example here. So instead of running at, for instance, 90, 120, it will be dropped down to 60. Also, brightness might go down, which I believe would also be classified as a visual effect. Gestures, I'm not exactly sure, because I will still be able to use gesture navigation, so it's referring to different gestures, so I'm not exactly aware or acquainted which ones they are referring to. Touch sounds, self-explanatory. Vibration, again, self-explanatory, etc. The most vague message. And there's probably one more thing happening in the background which they didn't mention, which will be that when your power saving mode is enabled, it will disconnect from Wi-Fi and mobile data after a period of inactivity. Most of the devices do this. So if you experience that your applications are giving you delayed like email fetching as an example, or notifications, or they just don't give them to you at all as long as you're not using the device, just be aware that this is power saving mode doing power saving things. Anyway, I'm gonna select turn on just so I can turn it on, and as you can see, the brightness did go down quite a lot. So there we go. And that is how you turn on your power saving mode. Now once you're done with it and you want to turn it off so everything can go back to normal, just find the toggle once more, tap on it. There we go. And as you can see, it's now off. Brightness went a little bit up and the device should start functioning as it did before. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.